Gene therapy is an emerging treatment or prevention for health conditions caused by mutations in your genes. At Tenaya, we are developing a gene therapy referred to as TN-401 that is specifically designed to treat ARVC caused by PKP2 mutations with a single dose. TN-401 is an investigational therapy that has not been approved by the FDA or any other country's regulatory authority. Arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy, or ARVC, also known as ACM, is a serious condition affecting your heart that can be caused by genetic mutations. In many individuals with ARVC, the condition is caused by mutations in the PKP2 gene. PKP2 gene mutations result in a shortage of certain proteins necessary for coordinating heart muscle cells. The missing proteins lead to a buildup of fat and scar tissue in the right ventricle, leading to electrical misfiring between the cells of the heart. This causes the electrical pulses responsible for regulating heartbeats to become unstable and results in irregular heart rhythms, also known as arrhythmias. TN-401 gene therapy contains a working PKP2 gene. The new working PKP2 gene is delivered to heart cells and is intended to restore protein levels and to address the underlying cause of ARVC, arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy. To understand how gene therapy works, let's take a journey inside your cells. A cell is the unit of life that contains the instructions from a gene, telling your body how to grow, develop, and function. Genes are located in your DNA, and your DNA is present inside almost every single cell in your body. Each of your genes provides instructions to build proteins. Proteins perform virtually all the work in your cell and throughout your body. For example, development and function of your liver, lungs, and heart. Did you know that a single misspelling in your gene can lead to a mutation? Some mutations can cause proteins not to work properly or at all. This can result in muscles or organs not working as they should. When the cell reads the misspelling in your gene, this can lead to genetic conditions, including those affecting your heart, such as ARVC. Gene therapy is designed to deliver the gene with the correct spelling, so your cell can build the working protein to restore function and potentially change the course of the condition. Tenaya's investigational gene therapies are delivered using a modified version of a common virus called adeno-associated virus, AAV9. Tenaya selected AAV9 as the best capsid to deliver its gene therapy because it has been shown by others to safely deliver gene therapy to target heart cells. AAVs are common, and many of us have been exposed to them before. They are not known to cause any disease, but your immune system may recognize the virus and have antibodies that could reduce the effect of the therapy. Therefore, a simple blood test is used to measure your antibodies to AAV to make sure you are a candidate for treatment. Tenaya Therapeutics prepares the investigational gene therapy by removing the DNA inside the virus and replacing it with the gene intended to treat your specific condition. The working gene gets delivered to the nucleus inside your heart muscle cells and rests alongside your own DNA. This working PKP2 gene is intended to work with your own cell's machinery to form the protein needed for your heart to function as it should. This working gene delivered to your cells does not get passed on to your children. Gene therapy for the treatment of heart conditions such as ARVC is new, but a number of gene therapies using AAV9 have been approved for rare genetic conditions, and thousands of patients, including children, have been treated successfully across the world. Tenaya is developing an investigational gene therapy that contains a working PKP2 gene. Administered one time, TN-401 gene therapy is designed to treat ARVC caused by the PKP2 genetic mutation. The investigational gene therapy is being studied in a clinical trial called RIDGE-1. By delivering a working PKP2 gene to build the missing protein your heart cells need, TN-401 may have the potential to slow progression or reverse the course of your ARVC with a one-time treatment. If successful, gene therapy can treat the underlying genetic cause of your specific heart condition and avoid medications or procedures and devices used to manage your symptoms.